A quick video about dialog boxes. A lot of the commands that we need to use in our programs are in the ribbon. However, there are some additional commands that you can use that are hidden in what we call the dialog box. The dialog box is this little arrow in the corner of certain groups. It's in the clipboard group, the font group, the paragraph group. The styles group has one as well on the home tab. So let's start with the font group. If I click open the dialog box for the font group, this is what we're looking for. And if you've been using Word for a long time, you'll know that this is what we used to get when we clicked on font before we had a ribbon. Before the later versions of Microsoft Office came up with a ribbon, this is what would drop down for us to make our choices from. Most of the stuff we have here is repetitive. The fonts, the font styles, the size, the colors are here. Underline style, however, you just have a single underline. You can do a dot or a dot dash or whatever kind of underline you want to use. And you can also, once you choose that underline, you can change the underline color. The effects that are not included on the actual ribbon are strike through, small caps, and all caps. And you can also look at some text effects. And if you change up here, say for example, you don't want to use Calibri as your default font, you can come down here and change your default. And that's what will come up every time you load the Word document. Looking at the paragraph group, dialog box, we can set alignment here, which we can do on the ribbon. We can do outline levels, which we'll talk about later, indentation, spacing before and after paragraphs. This is all. And we've talked about line spacing because it is available on the ribbon, but you can also do it here. And once again, you have a preview. And when we get to the point where we're ready to set tabs, this is where we would set the tabs. This is a quick look at dialog boxes so you know where to find them.